There's an easy strategy today to make money with, and if you follow all these steps and if you be patient enough, you can get a lot of money with this. You just have to make a few clicks with your keyboard, mouse, whatever, guys. Just hit subscribe and let's go. First of all, this method is gonna work all around the world, so you don't have to worry about that. Anyone can make money with this, just follow the steps. So the website that we're gonna use today is called cpagrip.com, and it's an awesome website. They have a lot of these like CPA offers, and if you don't know what CPA stands for, well, that's cost per action. And this basically means that whenever someone does certain action, you get paid for it, and you get a lot of money on this website. We can actually see that cpagrip.com has good stats on SimilarWeb. You can see that they have 1.9 million total visits each month, so that's huge amount of traffic. And you know why this is so good? Because no one goes on CPA Grip to spend the money, okay? All these people are making money, and you can see that the website even has a lot of growth. So all of these people are coming on CPA Grip in order to get that money, and this is a nice number. This means that there's a lot of money inside of it, and all of these people are satisfied. They just keep coming back, and you're gonna do it as well, guys. So firstly, we have to make ourselves an account on CPA Grip, and it's a simple process. You just have to watch out for this publisher type. You have to select GPT because those are the kind of offers that we're gonna run today, okay? GPT stands for Get Paid To, and that's going to be a simple process. Complete this other simple information about yourself, and let's log in inside. Once you log in inside of this, first of all, what you want to do is you want to click on the offer tools and click on my offers here. Click on my offers, and inside of here, you can see that you've got a lot of these offers to run. Now, the first advice is to go and you need to select the category. So firstly, collect these like email zip submits, because these are the easiest ones, okay? Because people don't have to buy anything at all. They just have to enter the email address, as the name suggests, email zip submit. And for example, if you choose to run this offer, it's gonna allow people to enter the lottery, okay? And they can win $750 PayPal gift card now. So they only need to enter the email address, and they're inside of that lottery. So some of those people are going to get that gift card, but of course a lot of them are not going to get it. But you are a winner in all of those cases because you get $2 per each one of those emails. So per each one of those action, hence cost per action, and in this case entering the email address, well, that's going to get you $2 per each one of those signups. And this is so easy, guys. A lot of people want to get stuff for free, and they won't want to buy any subscription. I don't know. They don't need to enter credit card information. No one wants to do that. But in order to get this, they just need to enter the email address, and they're going to be, okay, I've got nothing to lose. I can enter this lottery. Just enter the email address, and $2 is coming your way. So as you can see, a pretty much simple process. It's not going to be hard. We just have to find the traffic for it. Now, the next step that we need to do is we need to find a picture of PayPal gift card. So you can just type in PayPal gift card in the Google search bar and then go over to these images, and then you can choose some of these gift cards. Okay, you can even see that there's $750 gift card, so you can just click on it, right click on it, save image as, and it's gonna go to your computer. But of course, one more thing that you could do is you can go over to canva.com and you can just type in gift cards, and then you'll get a lot of these templates for free. Okay, a lot of these are for free, so you don't have to spend your money on it. You can just choose something, and then you can just edit this out. So you can, for example, I don't know, maybe you can choose this one, or maybe even this one. This is like a holiday season. This is like actual, and it is good. And you can just click on customize this template. So now you can just change this to $750 because that's the amount of our gift card. And then you can change this text over here down there. You can put PayPal gift card. You can just put whatever you want. You can edit this out in in whichever way you want. You just want to delete this because you want to get this valid always. And that's it. If you're satisfied, click on the share button, click on download, and download this as PNG. So now we only need to find the traffic for this link, and that's not going to be hard at all because this is a good offer for anyone, as we have witnessed. You can use your template, and then for the first option, of course, we can always use Pinterest.com, and you can just make gift cards like all of these people are already doing. So you can see that this is really popular thing, and a lot of people are making money like this, so I don't know what's stopping you. I mean, this is working. As you can see, a lot of people are doing that, and if they're doing that, that means they get the money. So there's money to be made. So you can just click on your profile, and then you can click on this plus icon, create a pin, add that picture in here, add the title, and of course for the title you can just paste this one. You can just copy it and paste that in here, and of course the most important part is that you add a destination link, which is of course gonna be from the CPA Grip website. You just take this link, run the offer, and my suggestion is that you take some of these offers. Okay, the more of these you do, the more chances you've got for more money. And then you just publish this one. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is you can go over to Facebook.com and you can just search for giveaways. Okay, just head over to these groups and you will find a lot of people inside of these groups who are just waiting for something like that. Okay, they're going into these groups to find some gift cards, some giveaways, and they're just waiting for an offer that is similar to the one on CPA Grip, right? So that's what we have to do. We just have to target the traffic. So what I suggest is that you just go inside of these groups and then you just engage with the people, okay? You make a few comments, you make a few posts, you tell them that they can enter the lottery by just entering the email address, and that's it, guys. You can see that people are already doing that. So basically anyone can do this, okay? Basically anyone can make money with this, and you can just paste that in here. And all of these people are going to do that because they're gathering here for a reason, right? They want to get those free things. Otherwise, they wouldn't be in such a group, right? And you can see that all of these groups have a lot of members, and you can see that they're popular, 10 posts per day, so it's a pretty nice option. Now, one more website that I have found that works is Imgur. Okay, Imgur has a lot of these, like you can see little videos, GIFs, and pictures, and they have a lot of traffic, and you can just make a gift card call to action on here as well. And this is why this is so good, and you can see it right away. 160 million total visits each month. That's all on Imgur.com. So you can just take the action there because it has a lot of traffic. Really good one. You can combine it with these other ones and just take that action, guys. Just take the action. There's a lot of money to be made. You just have to follow the steps. Take the action, get the money, and I'll catch you